So it's time to talk a little bit about audio and sound. Every time I create a video, usually I use my phone audio, but with my current setup, I've decided to invest a little bit of money. Nothing major, I've invested around 50-60 quid just in upgrading my audio, playing around with it. And I took a look at all sorts of different mics. Now, as you can see from the title of this video, or I don't know how I've titled this video exactly, but I am using a shotgun mic. And the way a shotgun mic works is it's out of the way. So currently you can't see any mic on me now, you can't see any mic, let's say, on a desk or anything like that. The mic is just above my camera, and it's taking in all the sound. Now there's a few reasons that I chose to use this mic, compared to other versions. So first of all, you'd have, I wouldn't know exactly what you call it, but one that would sit on a stand or on a desk. And the problem is that quite a lot of my videos I go out vlogging, and actually the main reason I chose this was so that when I go out vlogging I can use this mic and it would create better quality audio. The other option was a lavalier. I believe it's lavalier. Yeah, it's a clip-on mics. The way they work is, before you clip them on, and it goes to either your phone that you can record off, or I took a look at some that will save it to an SD card, which is probably what I'd preferably have because I don't mind syncing up audio. Or it would go to a transmitter, which would then go to your phone. I even saw ones that would just clip on and would have the transmitter there built in, and I don't mind there being a mic there in the way or anything like that. If it upgrades audio quality, that's not a big issue for me. However, you need one for each person, and I don't really have the budget for that. So this is the solution. If you're on a low budget and you need a mic that will really do the job, this is what you can do, and you can plug it into a phone like me. It is unbelievably easy. You can also plug it into your regular camera, anything, and it will, honest to God, improve your audio. So today I'm going to be helping out a friend, BlipBoi TJF, and what we're going to be doing is we're also going to be having a little podcast with him, and the whole point of that is it's a windy day, so we can go and test out all the audio, see how things are, see how this mic works. This mic is made by Rode. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I'll put a link into the descriptions as to the exact mic that I bought. I bought it off Amazon, and then you do have to buy 1 or 2 adapters if you want to use it for your phone. So I'll also put them in there as well. And before we go off to Ekup to go record that music video and to record the podcast as well, make sure you make sure you subscribe. If you don't like this video, dislike it. If you don't like it for whatever reason, let me know. Put it down in the comments and give me some feedback. That'd be really useful. Alright, so we're now in Ekup. This guy's joined us. How you doing?
Very good.
Been a long time since you've been on one of these vlogs.
On the vlogs,
yeah. Abstract Horty is the shoot. So that will have released by the time this video is out. It might have been long release. When are you planning on releasing it?
Well, the EP comes out on the 10th of June, and this will probably be out around a similar time, probably around that week.
Alright, 10th of June is what we're looking at.
Yeah.
So, plan today is take some shots, everything like that. We're not going to be using this mic that I'm testing out, but yeah, it's a windy day.
Well, it would be weird if it wasn't, wouldn't it?
It would be weird if the weather didn't treat us that way. Well, we're going to take some shots, and I'll give you a montage of that as well. Right, so we've just filmed our first bit of shot. That's kind of the main shot, and then we've got secondary shots for like a little abandoned shed rubble thing. Hopefully that will work out okay. So we're going to take a walk down there. Extremely windy today, so I'm hoping we get the shots we want. We've also flown the drone out, so it's all good. It's all good, Mr. Fenner.
Going on apps and group chats and whatnot, and it's just a great way to get out there. And if you're serious about a dream or anything, any passion, any hobby or anything you want to take,
Alright, so how did you think about that? I mean, I showed you a little bit of footage. I also showed you a little bit of behind the scenes, the music video, just to kind of show that for the sake of showing it. I think that the mic went quite well. I mean, it's not perfect. It is a budget option at the end of the day, but it's really, really useful because I don't have to mic people up. I can bring it out wherever I want, and it just works wherever I am. I should also point out that I am using a deadcat on top of it, and this does come with this mic. So I bought the mic and this comes with it. This just muffles all the wind, and that's probably the most important part. The deadcat really, really did work, so comparing with footage that I recorded that I'm actually using compared to other test footage without a deadcat on, there was seriously a big difference, especially with the windy day. It's not perfect at blocking wind. It was definitely not perfect. It was far from perfect. However, it made a massive difference, and you will be seeing this setup being used in most of my videos. That's all from me. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope that clarified a little bit up about mics and stuff. Before I bought this mic, I was looking at videos for different mics and setups and things, and I didn't really have a video that cleared it up. But if you are on a budget and you need a mic for vlogging, for videos like this, just a mic you can use everywhere, just makes it a little bit clearer than, for example, phone mics, for example, or the camera mics. This is the microphone to get. So yeah, that's it. Make sure you've subscribed, make sure you like the video, dislike the video as well if you didn't like it, and let me know in the comments. That's kind of important. And I'll see you around.